I had launched and built Emma is what we called her. So she was a conversational AI agent that was deployed over SMS. So for this client, I helped. Part of building out his full environment was to get him A2P certified, or approved for a phone number. So I did that for him, and then set that all up on the back end. So he had a phone number not only to text through, but to call his customers through. That wasn't his personal number. So so she was deployed over an SMS number, or yeah, SMS capable number. And I'll just go through. I don't know if this is of interest to you guys, but this is kind of maybe a bit of a glimpse into how I work systematically. So um, high levels AI agents maybe aren't the best out there, but they're pretty damn good for being integrated natively to a lot of the functionality. So I like to use them when possible, um, because most clients I can achieve their goals with the native voice and conversational AI. So this was a pretty simple build. There was no knowledge base, or no need for a knowledge base, because this agent was doing qualifying and just communication with customers. So I just define her personality here to acknowledge that if someone asks, we didn't I didn't want, well, and dealing with Luke, we didn't want the agent impersonating a human. If someone asked, we wanted to come clean and say, no, like, Luke's a busy guy. This is an AI agent that's working to help him out to get customers moved along to a call. Um, so wow, we're at 20 minutes. I'm gonna try and hurry this up. Um, so again, personality, style, and then talking about the goals here. So there's a goal prompt area. Primary objective is qualifying leads for Luke mentorship, helping users transition to online entrepreneurship, reinforcing values of growth, freedom, and discipline. So specifying what her job is, what her goals are, and how she should do that. So qualifying questions: what's motivating you to explore a change or start a business? How soon do you want to get started? How many hours a week can you realistically commit? And have you started an online business before? What's your biggest obstacle right now? So these are the lead qualifiers his marketing team and I had determined would help him get qualified meetings booked, rather than tire kickers on a call where he's spending 15, 30 minutes, and he could have been doing something else. Um, so then we go to the additional information prompt, which is defining the qualifying. So a warm lead is motivated but not ready to act immediately. So based on their timeline, maybe money, finance is an issue. Unclear on goals or timeline, responses are brief. They're not convincing or convinced. Whereas a hot lead is clear urgencies, specific goals, ready to go all in. Ideally has a business or leadership experience. So once we specified that, then this agent would achieve or accomplish different actions. So the hot leads, we wanted to book calls, one-on-one calls where he can work on closing. And then warm leads, we wanted to maybe just send them a webinar link or invite him to his online community, and then put it in their court, the ball in their court to become a hot lead. If they are hungry, reach out again. Then she has permission to book a call with them. Um, so yeah, this same thing over a voice agent. We've got one for a home builder, and it's trained along the same principles of how to qualify intent, how to achieve what their goals are. Um, yeah, and this is all within HighLevel.